Working with copper or stainless pipes. The Ridgid 223S reamer gives you smooth inner and outer edges, fast and clean. Built compact, solid, and ideal for tight spots in plumbing or HVAC. Upgrade your toolbox with this small but mighty tool. Electricians, meet your new pocket hero. This 13-in-1 multi-tool gives you wire strippers, pliers, cutters, and more, all in one foldable unit. Strong, reliable, and perfect for daily electrical jobs. Grab yours and stay ready on any job. Tired of the tape? The BOSCH GLM 100 gives you fast, accurate laser measurements up to 100 feet. Pocket-sized, backlit, and ready to work with just 2 AA batteries. Get pro-level accuracy with one click. Need raw cutting power? The DeWalt 20-volt Reciprocating Saw delivers 3,000 strokes per minute, cuts through wood, metal, and plastic, no sweat. Rugged, variable speed, ready for demolition, cut faster, work smarter, add it to your kit. A solid workbench that does more. The WEN WB4723T includes built-in power outlets and a bright overhead light. Sturdy 48-inch workspace, pegboard, and shelves perfect for any DIY setup. Build your dream workspace with WEN. Need grip and stability for your bench work? The Work Pro 4.5-inch Vise locks down materials tight from wood to pipes. Swivel base, solid build, and perfect for any garage or DIY station. Lock it, grip it, work smarter with Work Pro. Strip round cables like a pro. The Jonnard CST 1900 quickly removes jackets from 3/16 to over 1 inch. No slips, no damage. Durable, fast, and ideal for telecom, AV, and electrical pros. Clean cuts every time. Add it to your toolkit. Can't match that bolt? This thread checker has your back. With labeled holes and studs, it instantly identifies nut and bolt sizes. Made with 6061 aluminum and SUS 304 steel, strong, sleek, and accurate. Stop guessing. Get perfect matches every time. Need quick livestock fencing? The Gallagher Smart Fence, 2 sets up in minutes with built-in reels and posts covering over 300 feet. Great for sheep, goats, cattle, or quick pasture rotation. Reliable, portable, and smart fence like a pro. Cut metal, plastic, or wood with one beast. The Evolution 14-inch chop saw delivers clean cuts across multiple materials and miters up to 45 degrees. TCT blade included, no sparks, and built for job site power. One saw, all jobs. Get Evolution on your bench. Turn your drill into a winch. The Warren drill winch pulls up to 750 pounds with 40 feet of steel cable, portable, compact, and super handy for trailers, hunting, or loading gear. Add raw pulling power to your toolbox with Warren. Need clean cuts fast? This 6-inch KIMO Mini chainsaw is just 2.3 pounds, battery-powered, and slices at 13.2 feet per second, perfect for trimming, pruning, or camping. Lightweight, quiet, and cordless. Cut smart, carry light. Grab your KIMO now. Get flawless boards with Ridgid's 13-inch 3-blade planer. Smooth, consistent cuts with steel, infeed, outfeed tables, and easy blade changes. A must-have for serious woodworkers. Plain like a pro level up with Ridgid. Compact, quiet, and cuts fast. The Greenworks 40-volt 12-inch chainsaw is built for storm cleanup, pruning, or camping. Cordless, clean power, and always ready to go. Your lightweight cutting solution? Go Greenworks. Want precision in every cut? The Skill 16-inch scroll saw delivers detailed curves with variable speed and a bright LED light. Smooth control for all your fine woodworking projects. Carve cleaner, work sharper. Go Skill. Need serious cutting power on the go? The Ember and Valor 14-inch cutoff saw fits Milwaukee M18 batteries and slices through metal clean and fast, brushless, cordless, and built for pros in construction and fabrication. Built for power and portability. Upgrade your cutting game. Dull knives? Fix that fast. The SHARPAL 156N gives you double-sided diamond grit, 325 coarse/1/200 fine for perfect edges. Non-slip base, angle guide, and compact storage case included. Stay sharp in the kitchen or the field. Clean hedges in half the time. The Ryobi 22-inch cordless hedge trimmer slices with precision thanks to its HP brushless motor. Lightweight, powerful, and ready to tackle your yard, no cords needed. Shape your yard like a pro with Ryobi. Clogged drains? No problem. The Populo 20-volt drain snake reaches 25 feet deep with cordless convenience perfect for toilets, sinks, or showers. Replaceable cable, extension tube, and battery included. Clean it out. Power through clogs with Populo strip paint, shrink wrap, bend plastic. The C-cone heat gun hits up to 1112 degrees Fahrenheit with dual temp settings and 4 nozzles. Fast heating, heavy duty, and protected from overheating. Your all-in-one heat solution, bring the heat with C-cone. On the job and hate cables? These DeWalt neckband earbuds give you 30 hours of runtime, noise isolation, and magnetic lock-in when not in use. Rugged, pro-built, and perfect for loud environments. Stay focused, stay wireless with DeWalt sound gear. Personalize your tools or art in seconds. The U-Tool engraving pen works on wood, metal, glass, and more with 4 carbide tips and built-in stencils for clean lettering. Lightweight, powerful, and super easy to control. Mark it. Create it. Make it yours with U-Tool. Want crisp lawn edges? The Works WG896 is a powerful corded 12-amp lawn edger that creates clean, deep borders or even small trenches. Adjustable depth and ergonomic handle included. Tame your yard like a Pro-Go works. One tool. Infinite uses. The Leatherman Wave Plus packs 18 tools into your pocket: pliers, blades, screwdrivers, scissors, and more. Durable, compact, and built for life on the go. From DIY to outdoor, carry the legend with Leatherman. Make clean cuts with control. This Black Plus Decker JigSaw offers variable speed, great accuracy, and smooth performance on wood, metal, or plastic. Compact, powerful, and beginner-friendly. Cut curves with confidence, get it with Black Plus Decker. Need more control when gluing or assembling wood? The Woodriver clamping system gives you rock-solid grip with high-pressure clamping and incredible stability. Whether you're edge-gluing boards or building panels, this system ensures flat, gap-free joints every time. The rails and pressure plates hold workpieces tight and distribute force evenly. If you want cleaner glue-ups and professional results, this clamping system is a must-have for your workshop. Want to brand your projects like a pro? The Rockler branding iron alignment jig helps you get perfectly straight, centered marks every single time. No more crooked burns or guesswork, just clean, repeatable logos and names. It works with custom branding irons and adds a professional touch to any woodworking piece or gift. Level up your crafts and leave your mark with confidence using Rockler's jig. Moisture matters more than you think. The General Tools MMD4E moisture meter lets you instantly detect water damage or damp spots in wood, drywall, or concrete. With a backlit LCD, pin-type sensors, and audio-visual alerts, it's super easy to use even for beginners. Whether you're checking firewood, a basement wall, or flooring, this tool helps avoid costly surprises. Stay ahead of leaks and rot, get accurate readings fast with this digital moisture detector. This isn't your average router. The Bosch 1617 EVS delivers 2.25 horsepower of precision power, with electronic speed control and a fixed base for ultra-smooth routing. It's ideal for edge profiles, dados, mortising, and even cabinet doors. The aluminum housing is rugged, and the depth adjustment is smooth and accurate. If you're serious about woodworking, the 1617 EVS is a pro-level router built to handle everything you throw at it. Tight spaces? No problem. The Klein tools. Stubby screwdriver is small but mighty, with 8 different bits, including Phillips, slotted, square, and nut drivers. It's impact-rated, magnetic, and the short design makes it ideal for electrical panels, appliances, and cars. Strong grip, smooth rotation, and bit storage built in. Whether you're a pro or a DIYer, this compact tool packs versatility in your pocket.